Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to use the StoreSEO app to optimize the blog posts on your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, open the StoreSEO app. Next, go to the Optimize SEO tab under StoreSEO in the left side panel. Select the Blog Posts option. From the list, hit the Fix Issue button beside the blog you want to optimize. You will find the SEO Score, Basic SEO Analysis, and Detailed SEO Analysis for the blog post on right side. Let's start optimizing the blog post accordingly. Make sure the blog's focus keyword is unique. Hit the Keyword Analytics button to check the keyword's details, like search volume, CPC, etc. Next, make sure the focus keyword is used in the meta title. Also, the meta description should ideally contain the focus keyword and should be within 160 characters. Ensure the focus keyword is used in the alt text of the blog's featured image. Now, we need to make sure the blog meets criteria like having more than 800 words, one internal link, one external link with do follow and others. To do this, let's edit the blog from your Shopify account. Check if the blog post's title contains the focus keyword. Also, maintain the word count and linking suggestions from StoreSEO in the blog content. Back to the optimization screen in StoreSEO. Hit the Sync Blog Post button. The SEO score will improve by meeting each SEO analysis factor, so fulfill rest of the requirements as well. As you can see, we have optimized the blog post to ensure the highest possible SEO score. Finally, click on the Save button. This is how easily you can configure SEO for your Shopify blog posts with StoreSEO. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you have great success with your Shopify business.